Hi, welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you all about nutritional yeast, B12, and how I make sure I get enough B12 in my plant-based diet. I'm going to show you my 3 favorite recipes to make sure you get enough B12, and I'm also going to show you how to sneak in a little extra protein while you're at it. Let's get started. B12 is a vitamin that we all need to have healthy nerve cells, healthy blood cells, and even to help build our DNA. It can be kind of hard to get in a plant-based diet because it mostly comes from animal-based foods. But nutritional yeast is not only an excellent source of B12, it's also a complete protein. My first favorite way to get enough B12 is on my favorite snack. I have a whole video on this, but the cliff notes are you sprinkle nutritional yeast onto your popcorn. You can at this point sprinkle salt or garlic salt, but I love to sprinkle it with tamari and even hot sauce. I call this hippie corn or hot hippie corn because I learned to make it when I was hanging out with a bunch of hippies. So when I add the tamari, I just sprinkle it super gently so it doesn't get overpowered. I toss it, and then sometimes I'll even add in hot sauce, like I said. That's my first favorite way to make a healthy snack even healthier. I've just added protein and B12. My second favorite way to get enough B12 in my diet is something I do every single day. I take my whole grain, multi-grain toast. This is actually Ezekiel toast, which isn't even flour, it's sprouted grain. Sometimes I'll use a plant-based butter and just sprinkle nutritional yeast on it. It is super delicious. But if I'm feeling really fancy, I'll take my avocado and I will spread it on my toast. I sprinkle my favorite chili lime from Trader Joe's on there. If you don't have this, you can get tagine in any supermarket. It's the same thing. And then I sprinkle nutritional yeast on top. Believe it or not, this simple breakfast has 15 grams of protein, 5 from each slice of Ezekiel bread and 5 from the nutritional yeast. This is what I eat every single day for breakfast. Remember, if you find value in this video, to hit that subscribe button. Now I'm going to show you my third and absolute favorite way to incorporate extra B12 and protein into my diet. This is my homemade plant-based Parmesan cheese. It's so simple to make, it'll take you like 5 minutes. I'm gonna link the video up in the corner because I've already made it. But it's basically made of cashew and nutritional yeast. I sprinkle this stuff on everything, soups, salads, and of course pasta. I made myself some potatoes today and I sprinkled my plant-based Parmesan all over it because it makes them taste like cheesy potatoes, which are super delicious. Vitamin B12 is a super important vitamin, and even though deficiency is rare, it can cause some serious problems, so you want to make sure you get enough in your diet. Nutritional yeast is a super easy way to get enough B12 and to also add a little extra protein into your diet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.